I have the honor to announce that His Excellency Antonio Guterres has been appointed by acclamation Secretary General of the United Nations for a term of office from 1st January 2017 to 31st December 2021.
The full UN membership approved the appointment of Antonio Guterres. Outgoing UN Chief Ban Ki-moon welcomed his successor.
I have long valued his advice and long admired his spirit of service. He is a wonderful choice to steer this organization as we build on the progress of the past decade while addressing the insecurity and uncertainties of today's world.
Guterres said he feels humility and gratitude as well as a profound sense of responsibility in the face of so many global challenges.
The dramatic problems of today's complex world can only inspire a humble approach, one in which the Secretary-General alone neither has all the answers nor seeks to impose his views.
Guterres was selected over 12 other candidates during a 10-month-long process that for the first time took place in the public eye and included an equal number of women candidates. From 2005 to 2015, Guterres ran the UN Refugee Agency. Today, with some 65 million people forcibly displaced worldwide, he will undoubtedly draw on his experience in trying to ease the crisis. He is also a politician, having served as Portugal's Prime Minister from 1995 to 2002. He told VOA during his campaign that conflict prevention will be his top priority.
And that is where I must say the international community has been failing many, many times. We see things that are going to happen, and we fail to organize ourselves as international community to be able to act and prevent those conflicts that will then soon appear.
Guterres will get to work immediately preparing for a smooth transition. Next Wednesday, he will meet with member states to discuss issues of concern. Margaret Bashir, VOA News, the United Nations.